Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching the subseries Thread Pool and Task from Threading subseries 2. In this video, we will look at task scheduling. So we will talk about thread pool thread and scheduled task. So we already covered a little bit in the previous video. Now we will look into this in relation to the example that we are going to create in the next 3 videos. So in the last video, we got an idea about threads in a thread pool. So a thread pool will have multiple pre-created threads, and there is a task queue also. So in that task queue, list of a task will be maintained. A task can be added to the thread pool queue via the thread pool API. So here you will use the thread pool API itself and you will add the task to the queue. So tasks are queued and a free thread in the thread pool will pick and service it. So we already saw that. What we will do here, we will create a task and we will add it to the task queue. So if you see, our code will add the task to the thread pool queue, and thread pool will pick the task and it will assign a free thread from its thread pool and runs the task. So the task here will be executed by this thread which is in the thread pool. So how we will define the task here in our example, we just generate a random number and we will print the random number. Say for example 24, 26, 27, like that. We will print the random number, and the task will also print the thread number here or the task number. So when we create the task, that time itself we will name the task and we will name the task, then we will add the task to the thread pool. Then a thread pool will assign a thread and executes that task. So the task in our example is generating the random number. So we will create some 6 or 7 tasks and add it to the thread pool. And in the console window, that means here we are going to create console application, and in the console window you will be seeing the task number. So you will be seeing like T1, T2, T3, like that. So, and you will see the random number also in the right side of this column. So that's what we are going to do. So as a quick preview, once again, thread and thread pool. So thread pool is a collection of thread, task queue. So we will add a task to this task queue, and thread pool will maintain a list of thread and it will assign the thread to the task and the thread will execute the task. So we call the process of creating a task and adding it to the thread pool as scheduling the task. So we are scheduling the task for the thread. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.